Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a quick countdown timer in PowerPoint, so let's get right into it. This works across all PowerPoint versions. I am on PowerPoint version 2010, which is a very outdated version. In newer versions, you might even have new ways to do this, but this is a very rudimentary but very effective way of creating a timer. Now, if you have a newer version, you can get any add-ons which might create a timer for you. However, I'll be using shapes and numbers and animations to demonstrate how to create a timer. Now, firstly, I'm going to select whichever shape I want. Let's say I want this sort of oval shape, and I'll just select that. Now, as you can see, I have this shape, and to make sure that I have more shapes of this type with the same dimensions, just copy and paste them however long you want. If you want a 5-second timer, copy and paste them 4 times so you have 5 copies, etc., etc. You get the point. Now that you have 3 of these, as you can see, they're all in separate layers. This one is in the very back, this one is in the middle, and this one is in the front. This is exactly what your countdown is going to be like. This is the start of your countdown, this is the middle, and this is the end of your countdown. And now to actually add numbers into it, you just go into insert and click text box and click on the shape you want to insert your numbers into. For example, let's start counting down from 3. I'll select 3, and let me just make the text a bit larger, for example 48, and then do the same for the other ones as well. Again 2, and let me make that into 48, and do the same for the third one. This is going to be 1, of course. Select the text and go into 48, and now you have your numbers. Now what you want to do first is select the 3 or the beginning of your countdown and go into animations. The animation you want, it can be whichever one you want. It could be a fade in, it could be a wipe, it could be whatever you want, or it can be disappear, which I'm going to be using. I'll just select disappear, and as you can see, you have the option for the animation in the top right. What you want to do is to start, click after previous. Since there is no previous, that's what it's going to be like. And then you want to set the delay to 1 second. Now you want to do the same for the 2 and the 1. You want to make sure that start is after previous and click and set the delay to 1. And again, for the 1, add a disappear effect, start after previous and delay 1, and now you have your countdown timer. Now what you want to do is make sure that each shape is overlaid perfectly with the other ones, and we'll do it like so. Thankfully you have this snap in grid, and as you can see, now they are all within 1. Now you could group these together, possibly. Yes, you can, under format, and now that they're grouped together, they're still separate. Make sure it's in the center or wherever you want it to be, position how you want it, then go to slideshow and just present it. And as you can see, the timer should, for some reason it's not working. Let me just ungroup them. It worked before, so let me just ungroup them. This should be good. Actually, let me select this, go into format, click ungroup, and now it should work. If I go to animations, oh, it just deleted all the animations. Let me just bring them back for a second. Okay, so don't group them together, that just deletes the animations. But now, since they're ungrouped and the animations are set up, I can just go and present from the current slide, and as you can see, it is counting down automatically. And that is pretty much it. If I, for example, add a different slide to the beginning and just remove the countdown timers and just present from the slide, as you can see, empty slide, I click on it, it goes to the second slide, it starts the timer, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.